Good morning and welcome to Travels with Shane and Matt. I'm Shane, Matt's outside on the balcony because we've just arrived in Hellesylt in Norway, which is our second port of this Norwegian Fjords cruise on P&O Iona. Now, I've just had my shower, all dressed, and we're heading to the buffet for breakfast. Are you coming?
This is the current view. Just sailing down the fjord. Matt's rushed out to take photos. Just going past snowy mountain, waterfalls, and just beauty. All from the luxury of bed. Oh, here comes another waterfall. I think. Oh yeah. It's just coming up there.
We take you out on our balcony after we've just had breakfast in the buffet.
Good morning, everyone. This is the Deputy Captain speaking from the bridge. A very warm welcome to the spectacular port of Hellesylt here. I do hope that you enjoyed our sailing this morning. It certainly is what cruising in this part of the world is all about. So for you early risers, you were treated to some absolutely spectacular scenery. The good thing is that it is the same on the way out, so we've got another 4-hour transit down the fjord. So if you missed it this morning, then you'll be able to enjoy the spectacular views as we head out this evening. With all that being said, I'm pleased to say that we're safely secured alongside our berth here in the little town. And all of our usual security procedures are in place, so you'll need to show your cruise card when you leave the ship, and also when you come back on board and up the gangway. And we will search your hand baggage when you come back on board, and of course please do not bring on board anything for anybody that you do not know or trust. Gangways today are located on the starboard side of deck 3 and may be accessed via the forward and midships stairs and lift. So exactly the same as yesterday, just on the other side of the ship. Do take care on the gangways, please. Make sure you keep hold of those handrails, and do just watch out for any trip hazards that may be present on the dock side. If you're heading off on one of the exciting shore excursions today, maybe off to go Oranga or off to see some other parts of the fjord, then all the information that you should need will be with your tour tickets, and there's a bit of additional information in the Horizon newspaper. And please do take your tour tickets with you.
Doesn't take into account how steep this is, but it is steep. But we're catching people, makes me feel good. But it is steep. Going down's always scarier, I find. The water is so clear. Heading to the church now. Hopefully it's open. Not been in a church yet this whole day, so. It's open. Wind's picking up a bit. The water is crystal clear here. I can't tell. But it is very nice and clear. The clouds are very much in though over the top of the mountains, and there is snow on the top of the mountains still. And it's what's the date today? 2nd of July. 2nd of July. 2nd of July, and there is still snow. Oh, in fact, there, look. Can you see it? Yeah, just there. People just doing some kayaking. It doesn't look really, it looks like a toy town. We've decided to come a bit further. The rest of the ship's passengers seem to have not. So now it's as quiet as a mouse up here.
I must tell you, there's cows.
Oh, we love cows. There. All you can hear is the water from the streams and the waterfalls. There's one, and spin you around. There's another just behind the pylon. There's some more. Here we are, another lot. It's a gift that keeps giving, this place. We're on the other side of the river, stream, water now. I'm just doing a bit of a woodland walk. Matt loves a woodland walk. and it is pretty beautiful. I'm not sure this is appropriate. Go. Go, just go be quick. The screws aren't even all the way in yet. Just walk fast. I'm trying to look really confident because there's people around and I'm absolutely pooing myself. Whew. That is not a handle rail. It's a handle rail for little people. Clouds are coming in a little bit. Just managed to find four-leaf clovers. Now we're not gambling people, so we won't be going into the casino, but I was very pleased to find them. There's a rib boat going out. Take your time, Matthew, please. That madman's going up there. I think I've seen too many injuries in my life. We've just done half an hour in the jacuzzi. Well, I should actually call it the infinity jacuzzi. And now we're out. It is freezing. Oh, and it's off again. And that was our view. Not bad really, is it? Although it is really cold now. It's now 5:30. We had our hot tub, we've chilled, watched a bit of telly, and we're going to now go to the Keel and Cow if we can get in. We haven't tried, we haven't looked on the app yet, so we're going to see. Been a bit of a weird day for me today. They've been interviewing for my job back home, and so all day I've been thinking about work and who they're going to get, and I know it doesn't matter, it's because I'm moving on that they are recruiting to my job, but it just feels a bit weird, and yeah, it's been on and off in my head all day. So we'll go to the Keel and Cow, and then we haven't decided what we're going to do tonight. We've just cancelled our booking for the singer because we fancy a bit more chilled. So we might go to the Crow's Nest and watch the pianist, or we might go to a quiz in the clubhouse. But fast forward a couple of minutes, I'm sure we'll see. Belly pork and a 10-ounce ribeye steak. So, the Keel and Cow did not disappoint at all. You'll have just seen a couple of clips. I forgot to do the cheesecake, but we both had the New York style cheesecake with slow jam or slow jelly and raspberry coulis or something. It was beautiful. And we met a lovely couple from Scotland and had a nice Edinburgh/Glasgow because they were in between both. We had a nice chat with them for, to be fair, a couple of hours. Clearly we'd overstayed our welcome because the head waiter kept looking at our tables. I think they needed them because the restaurant was chocker. But yeah, they were really nice, so that was a nice evening. And we're now sailing down the fjords. I will just show you. That's the view from the balcony. Doesn't look real, I'm aware. So we're going to go and do a quick lap and then maybe go to the crow's nest. Having a couple of cocktails.
And young squash.
Watching
Yes!
the
Well
chase.
done! Let's take a look
Or
at what
P&O's
the Zurich
equivalent.
puts. Also whether it's
Won on the chase, I mean the pursuit. I think it was fixed, but they won. And then we went up to the crow's nest for the piano. For the pianist, he did half an hour, and now it's about 10:30 or something. And we've come down. This is how light it still is. Broad daylight. Apparently we're only going to be in the sea for about 3 hours tonight before we then join the next fjord for tomorrow. So please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in Olden, where we're going to the Brickstall Glacier.